Yesterday was not the proudest moment in Steelers history, as many of us fans know. It came down to the last 12 seconds in their game against Tampa Bay, and they ended up losing after having a pretty nice lead in the beginning of the game. It definitely hurt all of us immediately after the game, but what we were wondering here at RMU TV is, does a bad game on Sunday make for a tougher Monday morning?
Oh, absolutely. This morning I was depressed.
Yeah?
Yeah. It was an upsetting day.
Like as the Steelers game, I felt a little sad after they, it was the last minute and oh no.
And it's not just Steelers fans that experience this phenomenon. Studies have shown that sports fans have both a psychological and physiological response to what's happening to their team during and after a game. The clues to what's happening to people because of this can be traced back to the fight or flight survival response. Raised levels of adrenaline caused by the response increase levels of aggression, agitation, and nervousness in the body and can affect you for hours after a game is ended, even into the next morning.
Personally, me, yeah, if I'm really into what's happening, yeah.
You win a game, a tough game, you feel better about it.
While yesterday's loss does seem to have negatively affected the emotions of people on RMU's campus right now, everyone does seem very hopeful that next week, when the Steelers play the Jaguars on Sunday, October 5th, we'll be able to have a better Monday morning. Reporting outside the Nicholson Center, I'm Eddie Sheehy for RMU Live.